over, I keep going over the world we
Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are at Motor Classic in Hungary with in front of us a beautiful Pagoda. And you guys know from my videos at Motor Classic that we filmed beautiful classic Mercedes cars. Motor Classic Hungary has more than 25 years of experience in restoring Mercedes classics. This stage right here, this work area, is the most crucial one. This is the testing area. So after restoring, after we have a beauty like this in front of us, it needs to be fine-tuned in every way. The engine, gearbox, brakes, everything. So in this area, Motor Classic Hungary has set up this part right here where they test the perfect equilibrium between power and amount of fuel consumption. This is also to test the CO value all on the machines behind me. So it actually has to do with the injection pump, which we have all the way there in the back, but also with the gearbox, which is over there. This is an old machine from 1962, directly from Mercedes-Benz factory, that Motor Classic also restored, and it looks beautiful. So let's put this on and we will test the CO value for the Pagoda in front of us. It is a beautiful car from 1960s, and you can see the beautiful Antron seat exterior color with matching wheel cap colors. This is a 6-inline petrol engine producing 170 horsepower. You can see that the exhaust pipes are connected to the tubes, and by the way, just check out the quality of the chrome exhaust tip. We have chrome bumpers in the back, and all the chroming is done in-house. Also interior-wise. So right here we see where the tires move around. So for the W113 right here, the 280 SL, we can only achieve a precise adjustment of the mechanical fuel injection system with the load-based testing, which simulates normal driving conditions. So this is set up by Motor Classic, where they use the roller performance dynamometer for this purpose. So it allows a set of desired traction force demand. That means at the same time they can calculate the exhaust gas measurement, get an accurate picture of the combustion quality under various load conditions. And only with this data can the fuel injectors be fine-tuned, ensuring the engine operates at an optimal performance level, which is amazing. In addition, the operation of the vehicle's structural components, drivetrain, and performance can be checked during the running in. This is exclusive. Then we have the green part, the injection pump testing on the test bench. This is a Bosch mechanical 6-piston injection pump system. It is used for the W113 280 SL Pagoda, and it delivers fuel to each cylinder through injector elements into the intake manifold. And this being a mechanical pump, Motor Classics thoroughly inspects and refurbish during the restoration process. Each injection piston is replaced along with its corresponding housing, as this is fundamental to achieve precise delivery volume adjustment and regulation. In addition, the fine mechanical components of the control unit are meticulously restored and adjusted according to the factory specifications and technical data. After reassembling the injection pump, the delivery volumes are tested on the test bench at various engine speeds and throttle positions. The pump is connected to the piping and injector elements corresponding to the number of cylinders, and the tests are conducted using a special test fluid with similar viscosity to gasoline but non-flammable. so very safe. Then we have the automatic transmission testing on the test bench. This transmission testing is actually from 1962. It is restored by Motor Classic. So for the Pagoda, the W113 280 SL, they were equipped by Mercedes with their in-house developed 4-speed automatic transmission. These transmissions are purely hydraulically controlled, with the connection between the gear ratios created by the planetary gear sets determined by the engagement and release combinations of hydraulically controlled brake bands and multi-plate clutches. Very technical, guys. Gear shifts depend on the vehicle's speed and the engine load, which is derived from the intake manifold pressure characteristics. After restoring the transmission, Motor Classic tests using a test device developed and utilized by Mercedes for serial production in 1962, and this machine is right here at Motor Classic, completely restored too. So they use corresponding machines from that time. Motor Classic has purchased and refurbished this test bench, and they acquired the testing procedures through factory training. As a result, the transmission testing at the facility here is conducted entirely in accordance with the factory specifications. So on the test bench, the input shaft of the transmission is rotated by an electric motor, while the output drives a mass that simulates road resistance. By shifting through all the operating states according to speed and revolutions, the hydraulic pressure values can be directly read from the gauges, as well as the timing of pressure build and release. Comparing the measured values with factory data allows for precise and objective evaluation of the transmission performance, enabling targeted and efficient troubleshooting based on the discrepancies. So extremely accurate, just like in the days when they had the factory production line. Additionally, the test bench allows Motor Classic to detect and identify potential sources of abnormal noise in the transmission. Testing the main unit in this way ensures that the completed vehicle is equipped with flawless components from the outset, eliminating the rest of disassembly and potential vehicle damage. So extremely beautiful cars and extremely fine-tuned all the way down to the engine. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the 280 SL Pagoda and the testing center of Motor Classic Hungary, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.